Hi, my name's Stella Exley from Hairspring Cottage Plants. We're based in South Devon. We grow a wide range of hardy perennials on the small independent family-run nursery. And today I want to talk to you a bit about Sidalcea and give you some tips for growing and being successful with them. They're a classic cottage garden plant and they flower from about the end of June at the earliest and can still be flowering into November if you know how to look after them. I've got a couple here. This one is Elsie Hue, very pale pink as you can see, and a beautiful sort of frill around the edge. The trick with all Sidalcea is to give them lots of moisture in their growing season. So really from May onwards when they start to bulk up in the ground. And then what they do require is a well-drained soil over winter. They don't want to be sat with their feet in too much wet. They will tend to rot off if they're really in a boggy, soggy soil. They come in a hue of pinks. So from the palest pink, Little Princess and Elsie Hue, you can see here, to a deeper pink, Rosalie, William Smith, Croftway Red, Wine Red, and there's also a clear white one as well called Sidalcea Candida. So in terms of deadheading, when you get a Sidalcea that the flowering spire, as you can see, all these flowering spires just keep coming and coming, and when one has flowered and gone over at the top, if you look for the next set of side shooting buds and trim down to there, it will encourage more and more side shoots to come and to keep coming. And as I said earlier, if we have a mild autumn, these can still be flowering well into November. So all in all, a really fabulous, easy, hardy perennial. And look at those, what's not to love?